What's up, guys? Event Array. This is Curtis. I'm going to be doing a quick gaming review for the SecretLabs Omega gaming chair. My roommate got one of these for Valentine's Day for his girlfriend, and he was kind enough to let me borrow it for a day or two so I could do a quick review for the channel. Appreciate him. Shout out Jesse. Shout out Peyton. And we're going to do a quick look around. So at the top of here, you have this memory foam cushion. This is really supportive for your head. It's like amazing. I love the material here, and it just forms right to the back of my head, and I have a big old head, so I love this thing. And it also has a butt back pillow. You can sit on this and you can put it right in the arc of your back, and it'll just feel perfect. On the armrest, you have an adjustable button at the bottom. You see that? It's metal. I love the premium metal tarnishes on here. It makes the chair feel much more premium than a normal chair. And as you can see, you can use this to pull this straight front and back, and you can also angle it diagonally on the chair. Underneath it, we have some more metal tone buttons. You can push this to bring it up and down, just like a normal chair, but adding the metal there just makes it feel so much more premium. Going to the other side, you have another armrest. Underneath it, you have the adjustable backrest, but we'll look at that later. This is going to be your up and down like normal chairs, and this isn't metal, but I just like the shape of it. It looks really nice and makes it look much more unique. You can see the color of the chair. It's a dark gray with black and white specks in there, and I think that's really cool. I'm not a big fan of the gray, but I can see why a lot of people would like this gray chair. So here's another spinning around. Now you can see Jesse's chair right next to my $50 Amazon chair. I had a fancy gaming chair too, but it broke and it wouldn't even come up and down anymore. So I just needed a quick chair. So I got this $50 chair on Amazon, and you can see how the Omega gaming chair towers over my little $50 chair. It doesn't have adjustable arms or anything like that. So yeah, this is going to be me real quick. I'm going to do some gaming, just some work at my desk. And you can see how it looks in person. So I have it right up, straight up. This is going to be at a 90-degree angle, but you know it's adjustable. So I'm going to pull it back and see how that looks, and I'll show that to you guys and show you just how far back this chair goes. Here we go, winding back. Okay, yeah, this is nice. I like it. I like how far back it goes. My chair that I have does not go back that far. And then look at this. You could just take a whole nap in this. It's like basically like a recliner, and I have a recliner, and it goes back just like this. A leg rest would be great. I've seen gaming chairs that have actual leg rest built into them. I struggled to get up here though, but that's not the chair's fault. I'm just out of shape. So I pull it back up, I adjust, pull the armrest up. You can see how they go up and down, and then they go left and right. It's pretty cool how customizable this chair is. Okay, we're gonna lean forward. I adjust the pillow. Oh yeah, that feels perfect right there. I feel amazing in this chair. I love it. One thing I don't like though is the seat conforms to you really great, but on the thigh area of the chair at the base of it, it's a little tight of a squeeze. So after sitting in this chair for a long time, it does hurt my thighs a little bit. Not like a crazy big pain, but it is a bit uncomfortable. I could just be a little too big for the chair. My roommate is a little skinnier than me, but you know, I mean, most people in America are obese, like 1 in 3 people. So you would think a little bit more space on the chair would be great. But I get that they were trying to conform to you and make you feel like you were really in there, really vibe and having your own space in this chair. So I understand that. But yeah, this is just my quick overview of the chair. Do I think it's worth the $350 to $400? No, but if you have the money to spend on a chair, this is an amazing chair for you. And it was an amazing gift for him to have gotten. And that's pretty much my thoughts on the chair, on the Omega SecretLabs gaming chair. If you have the money to invest in a great chair, this is the chair for you. But if you're on a budget, there are definitely some better alternatives for you guys out there. This is Event Array, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.